Hopefully. No? Here's Hans, the hiker, and here is Sylvie. She fell before, poor thing. She was even a little bit wet. Look at that style. Look at that style.
Amazing, eh?
Yeah.
You want to see your style?
Okay.
So show us your style, darling. Oh my goodness, this is just wonderful. What do you think? It's like a butterfly, just flying over the snow, almost not touching it. Bravo!
Finn.